So my name's Stuart Edmonds. We're here at Redbud for this year's Motocross of Nations. I'm going to be riding with John Mira and Martin Barr. John's got to pop his cherry, his Nations cherry at the Nations this year. This will be his first one. I'm doing my 12th one this year, and Martin's doing his 16th Nations this year. So great week so far. We've had a couple of days riding. Everything's done the shakedown pretty well. The riding went good. A couple of us had a few moments, but we're definitely looking forward to it, and it's going to be crazy. Blue Steel Redbud.
Yeah, go on.
Redbud!
Set the ball or chain up, presidential king. We're the rebels at terrified of the open road. Yeah, where it leads, you never know. Rest assured, hear me on your back. Get a Holy Ghost, Jerusalem's in the back. Once the band of wheels and the umbrella boys, the blessed virgin and the proud baptized. The albatross hanging round your neck is the cross you bear for your sins he bleeds.
Alright, so yesterday went good. I was 16th in my race. I made a couple of mistakes, dropped a place in the last couple of laps, so unfortunately I ended up in 16th, but I still had a good race, so unfortunately, B final.
Yeah, my race didn't go to plan at all. Got caught up first lap, rider down in front of me, and I went head over ship, but that's racing. We have been in this position before, and yeah, we're up for it.
Yeah, I had a decent race. I didn't get a great start, pushed hard, made my way up to 17th, which is where I finished. So looking forward to getting into the B final here and trying to make it straight through now.
We're going through.
You're going through?
Absolutely. Rebels in a sacred sacred heart. Now bless me, Father, for I have sinned. But it's the same old story again and again and again. Well, such is the bread of an everyday life, from morning to noon to the shadowless night. Well, such is the bread of an everyday life, from morning to noon to the shadowless night. Rebels are we, though heavy our hearts should always be. No ball or chain, no prison shall keep the rebels at sacred heart. I said no ball or chain, no prison shall keep the rebels at sacred heart. I said no ball or chain, no prison shall keep the rebels of the sacred heart. Well, the rebels of the sacred heart.
Right, so we're back in Ireland. Didn't qualify for the B final, but we gave it our all. Big thanks to all the team, all the sponsors that helped us get us here. I'm trying to be best. Me, Martin and John are in the same boat.
Great weekend. Really enjoyed it. Luck didn't fall our way. We just missed out by a few points. And getting into the final, but we have to fight the tail. Just I want to say a massive thank you to everyone behind the scenes also again.
Yeah, and for me, very disappointed we didn't make the A final. I think the riders should have been straight into the A final on Saturday, but luck just wasn't our way, and especially myself with little problems with the bike. I just felt that I never got a proper go to show what I could do at that level, but that's motocross for you. You got to kick it up with the smooth, and unfortunately it had to happen this weekend. But big thanks to the whole team, Mark and all his people there helping in the background, all the team sponsors and partners that got us out here, and obviously well done to John and Stu. They put a mega effort in, and it's such an enjoyable week out there in America. But we're back safe and sound, and hopefully we've got back to fight another day.
Always next year. Get us back to our beds.